Hey boys and girls, RandomIslandNorm here. So it's March 25th and we just got a crap ton of snow. Yeah, spring snowstorm. Great. Now I got a shovel and it's right heavy too. Yep, not looking forward to this, but hey, that's Newfoundland weather for you. They call this shields brush, which is typically a snowstorm that occurs in the early spring. Alright, let's go shovel some snow. Alright boys and girls, I got the driveway shoveled there now. Didn't take me very long. The snow was kind of heavy, but got that much done. Now I'm gonna go down to the basement and light the furnace. Smaller wood. He's up to do. Crossways. Here's the antique match holder. Cool. Her dates like 1930s. Well, boys and girls, that was the spring snowstorm we got. Thankfully, snow is starting to melt there now, and hopefully it all goes away soon. And I hope we don't get any more snowstorms this spring, so I really don't want to be shoveling any more snow. You know, it was good exercise, I'll give it that, but yeah, it's hard to be out pretty quick when I'm out shoveling the heavy stuff, which the snow was, unfortunately. Anyways guys, that's it for the video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Would appreciate it so much. And also check out my Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok pages. And as always, I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. So long, and have a great day, everybody. Peace out.